right, welcome back to another episode of College Algebra, and this is your host Bromel with the Jack's Tutor. Today we are doing we're evaluating this expression and using PEMDAS. Let me remind you again, PEMDAS is P stands for parenthesis, E for exponent, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. So if you already know this, it should be easy for you. So the first letter is P, so we're gonna go and take care of the stuff inside of parenthesis. So we're gonna write the same thing, -2 square bracket 16 divided by, inside of parenthesis what we have, 8 minus 4. What is 8 minus 4? Is 4 squared to the second power. Now, we still have some more parenthesis stuff to deal with. -2, 16 divided by 4 squared. What is 4 squared? 16. So we could either write this again or just put 16 here. What's 4 squared is 16. Oh, I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that either. 4 squared is 16. Let's see. I gotta just move the screen. I don't know why I'm doing all this. Let me just move the screen up. So where you have 4 squared is 16. 16 squared. -2. 16 divided by 16 is 1. That whole thing squared. -2. Now we're taking care of this exponent. See, 1 squared is 1. And we have -2 multiplied by 1, which is -2. That's it. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with someone that you know might be taking algebra or college algebra or any other algebra class. And this is your host, Bromel, with the Jack's Tutor. Thanks for your time. Again, we're doing PEMDAS, and we were showing you how to solve an expression using PEMDAS. Thanks. Bye.